Welcome to my review of the GUWIEYG charger adapter. Now I probably pronounced that wrong, but it's the best and nearest I can get. So basically I was sent an email asking if I'd like to review the product, and I obviously said yeah. Now I have listed this review as a paid promotion, but to be clear, I got the product for free to review it. I don't get any commission on sales, I don't get anything like that, so anything from this point is just my opinion because I've already been paid by getting the product free. Now here's the tricky part. How do you review a plug? Well, technically it's not actually a plug. It kind of is. It converts the electric car charger things into a standard plug. The Amazon listing actually says it's a Type 2, so UK 3 pin. So when it comes in a nice little box, and then inside it's in this kind of fleecy type bag. The plug itself seems to be plastic. It feels decently heavy and it feels solid, to be fair. There's no bend in it or flex in it. It feels like a nice solid piece of plastic. The socket itself is covered by a plastic door that's spring loaded, so when you open it, if you let go, it closes itself. Now I won't lie, I didn't even know these things existed, and I like the idea. I think the concept is that you can charge your e-bike or your e-scooter or whatever at one of these electric car charging stations, and that sounds really good, but I think it really does depend on your e-bike or what you're charging. As a reviewer, most e-bikes take 6 to 8 hours to charge. There are a few exceptions that have fast chargers and take about 2 hours. Now I agree, for those bikes, the fast chargers, this is a good idea. I think the problem is, at a fast charging station there's not really anywhere to lock your bike, so leaving it there for 6 to 8 hours unattended isn't really an option. It's just not. I think maybe 2 hours is doable, or maybe an hour, which you get half a charge, which on some bikes is 10 to 15 miles, so I think that's doable, and if you're stranded and you need to charge your bike, it's a really good idea. But only in them cases, it's only a top of thing. Like, I wouldn't spend 8 hours sat there waiting for your bike to charge, not a chance. I think in honesty it'd also be very good if your phone died, because you could literally plug it in, stand by the charger, wait half an hour, and on a fast charger again you're almost full charge then, and you can go about your day. So I think it does have its uses, and in an emergency it could be really handy. Now I did ask about the weather, and I was told that the water resistant rating isn't very high, so it's not recommended for rainy days, definitely not for heavy rain, which again would suggest if you're using it to charge your e-bike at one of the power charging stations, I'd recommend you there with your e-bike, because then if it does start raining or whatever you can unplug it and stop. Now I'm told you can use this at home. Now I live in an upstairs flat and I ain't got this type of socket, so I can't, but if you've got one of these sockets in your garage or you charge your electric car, then you could, when you finish charging your car, plug this in, plug the hoover into it and give your car a hoover, or maybe mow your lawn. It's definitely a handy little thing. Now on Amazon it's 38 quid, so it's actually a competitive price and it feels like it's a decent product, so definitely worth looking at. It's also got a 4.6 review rating, so people seem to like it. I think in honesty, now I've got this thing, it'll stay in my e-bike bag because I never know when I might need it, and it's nice and small so it doesn't take up much space, so why not take it with me everywhere. So yeah, I think at the price it's decent, to be fair. I think it's something that people will use, and if you like the idea of it, go get yourself one. I don't see any reason why not to. So if you got this far, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the content I'm making, please do like, share, subscribe. It really does help. Any questions, comments, put them in the comments and I'll get back to you. And I'll see you in the next video.